Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
We are all gathered not only in a holy precinct, but also in a world-renowned heritage area, recognized as such by our central government. By that, I mean the Archaeological Survey of India and also by UNESCO. We should know that any undue or offensive interventions, even by legitimate stakeholders in and around these monuments, can have grave consequences and even attract the derecognition of their World Heritage status, which would be a tremendous and severe loss to Goa. In this context, I would like to express the solidarity of the Church in Goa with several of our brothers and sisters of different faiths who have been undertaking various demonstrations for many days now in protest against some obnoxious activities in this heritage site. I strongly appeal to all those in authority to refrain from any acts and decisions which are illegal and detrimental to the preservation of the religious and heritage sanctity of Old Goa.